What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel here, and I'm gonna open up a couple Moto subscription boxes and we're gonna compare what's inside both of them. We're at West Craven MX. We just finished up riding today and I figured where better to open up and compare the two leading Moto subscription boxes than right here at the track. So just to be clear, I no longer have any affiliation or have any idea what's in the Brat box, and this is Moto delivered. So let's open these up. They're both sealed right now and compare what's inside. I'm going to start with Moto delivered. Come check this out. All right, so it looks like we got a Rhino Power water bottle, the clear one of my favorites. They have these in clear and black. We also have a Rhino Power sticker sheet. What's this? An FMF decal. The FMF ovals are always a favorite. Mo 94 multi-use spray by Muck Off. Nice. And then the little straw for it's in there, and then FMF t-shirt. Give you a good look at this. The Smell of Adventure since 1973. So, and I'm pretty sure I read somewhere that these FMF tees in these Moto delivered boxes are one-offs. You can only get them in the Moto delivered box. So pretty interesting there. And then we've got a little, looks to be a Moto delivered decal. So yeah, sweet box there. And now let's check out the Brat box. All right, so we got the Brat box goggle logo, tissue paper wrapping. It says, "Thank you for being part of the Brat box family. We hope you enjoy your new gear. Make sure to use hashtag the Brat box on social media. The estimated value of the gear in your box is $90. All right, so just right here on the top, we have the Pro Grip thumb savers. So you know that you put on your grips and it helps against the blisters. And thank you for being a part of the Brat box family. We're determined to deliver the best moto gear to your door every month. So it says save 15% at AMC.mx by using this code." Oh, a koozie with the Brat box goggle logo and Brat box logo on the other side. A Brat box pop grip. That's pretty sweet. Set of decals. Right here we have a valve core remover, Genuine Motion Pro. Matte finish cleaner, streak free formula. Matte helmets have been quite the rage for the last few years, and this is made specifically to work for that, so it's pretty nice. Maxima waterproof grease. I've got 3 or 4 of these laying around the workshop. I mean, you just need it for everything. We have an Alpine Star Fluid Chaser jersey, and this is XL. It's my size, so that's pretty cool. And Racer X magazine. Nice. This will keep you busy till next month Brat box or Moto delivered comes. All right guys, so what do you think? Leave me some information in the comments below. Tell me what you think about both boxes, which one you prefer, and I'll leave links to these down in the comment section below. Hope that was a good comparison. See you guys in the next video.